Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we have some little helpers, cheese and fish. Mickey, you look tiny. And what are we doing? Degustabox. It's a really heavy one. Ari just carried it through. Degustabox is a monthly snack box, sort of a snack box. Has loads of random food in it. There's always the theme every month. The theme is just bollocks every month. Very rarely ties into what they say it's going to be. I pay for this myself. It is not PR, so hide our address. Rip it. Yeah. Mika's hoping there's going to be something for a treat in here for her. So the theme is picnic and on the go. I feel like we had one. We had a picnic and on the go one recently.
Like noodles in it.
We had definitely had picnic and on the go recently.
Yeah. And a soup.
Oh, itchy ear. Right, okay, let's just pull something out. What have we got? Stop. We have got a hard seltzer, alcoholic, fizzy water. How many of these have we got? I think we just got one. Yeah, so it's either Passion Star or Mango Highball. So we've got Passion Star. I like the packaging. It's got a little otter on it. And they're £2 each, and it says 3 words: alcoholic sparkling water, founded with 3 siblings, 2 Brookside, intensely refreshing, crisp craft drinks, perfect for enjoying as a guilt-free tipple or two in the sun. They're naturally low in calories, and they're delicious on their own, or it can be used as a mixer. You can just chuck some vodka in it, get even more pissed. Shall Mummy try that now? We'll see. We've got some nachos, manchego cheese. These are, we get 2 of these. So we've got manchego cheese and serrano chili and honey. Oh, that one sounds delicious. I'm going to say that we're not going to open the chili one because the girls won't eat a chili one. But we're going to open this one. These are £1 each. It says add some Latin spirit to your summer with manamosa tortilla chips, 2 of our most popular flavors. So let's have a look.
Yummy.
Smell really good.
Yummy.
They're all right.
Yeah.
They just taste a bit like Doritos, don't they? They just taste like cheesy Doritos to me. What do you reckon, Ari? It says green olive as well. I didn't say that because they weren't going to eat it if I told them it had green olive in it.
I did.
But you can't taste it. I hate olives, and you can't taste the olives.
Daddy was putting olive near us.
Ew. No, they're really nice. I'm excited to have the serrano ones and the honey, but there's no point because these 2 do not like spice. Right. You like it a little bit.
We had that one before.
Rio Tropical, orange, guava, apricot, mango, passion fruit in sparkling water. So we can try this. This is 85p. Yeah. I don't know, it smells like umbongo. And umbongo was a drink when Mummy was little, and it used to make Mummy get the poops. That's an overshare for you. You're welcome. Nope, not for me. Tastes just like umbongo, but fizzy. Gross. She doesn't like fizzy stuff. This one, she's gonna like this. It's very sweet.
I didn't know how to drink.
You've forgotten how to drink.
Just dip on your head and see what you can get. Like, go, 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 go.
Like when we did the popcorn fight the other day and just threw popcorn at each other.
Why did I get that?
Yeet it in. You like it?
Oh my god, I think she likes it.
Oh yeah, I think she does as well. We'll put that there. We'll see how many more sips she has over the... Oh, she's going straight back in.
Nearly fell off the sofa.
Clothesline. Right. Next up. Are you serious? Oh, I'm well annoyed. So this is a Hellman's dressing. And I've got fat-free vinaigrette, which is the worst one. These are £2.60 each, and you can either get real Caesar, garlic and herb, a fat-free vinaigrette, or Thousand Island, or honey mustard. I would have had any of the other ones other than that one. So I'll see if my mum wants this, or I'll put it in a food bank. Yeah, it's annoying. Going back in again. Oh, we got some Smints.
Yeah, I want them.
I've got a packet in the car that is open. I love Smints. I have them all the time. She likes them. She's too scared to try them.
They're minty. I don't like minty.
Do you want to try one?
No.
Wow. Okay, what is in this? There's a big box. Okay, let's do this one first. These are Rivita. These are yummy as well. Let's try these. I've had them before. These are £2.20. You can either get rosemary and sea salt or multi-seed. I like the rosemary ones. They're really nice. You'll like these as well, I think. Oh, they smell so good.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't mean to break you off that tiny little bit. That was pathetic. They're really nice. They're really good.
No.
They'd be so good with hummus. Fuck yeah, they're amazing.
What?
It's okay. You enjoying that drink, Ari? Oh, we don't want these.
Yes, I love those. Those ones
so
are the big ones.
These are the desserts, which we've not had before, so we'll try these ones. And then squishy clouds or squishy sours. They're £1.25 each. We've already got some of these. They're really nice. But these ones are strawberry ice cream, chocolate orange cake, blueberry tart, cherry cheesecake, and lemon pie. So we're going to try these. We're going to try them all.
Okay. I'm doing lemon pie.
So let's get the orange ones out first.
Orange. I'm sorry.
They're really pretty colours, look. Right, so have an orange one. Let's all do it at the same time. Right, 1, 2, 3. It just tastes like orange. There's no chocolate, is there?
Yeah, no chocolate.
I can't taste chocolate. It just tastes like orange. It's nice. Right, let's do red.
What flavour's red?
I'll tell you in a minute. There's yours. There's yours. Strawberry ice cream.
Yeah. It just tastes like strawberry. Yeah.
It's like, there are different textures, normal Skittles.
Yeah.
Right, this one is blueberry tart. Oh, fuck me. Where's that gone? 1, 2, 3.
Purple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mummy doesn't eat purple things, but I'm doing this for you too. I can't get it in my mouth. Oh, I like that one.
Oh, yeah.
They're like a crumbly texture compared to...
It just tastes like blueberry.
They're really nice.
I don't even know what they taste
Right,
like.
cherry cheesecake.
Ooh. I love cherries. It's pink. These are like perfect.
That one's yummy. It just tastes like cherry though. There's no like cake part of it. It just tastes like the flavour it's meant to. And then lemon pie.
Oh, it has to be right. There's a lemon to it.
No, I'm not getting any lemon either.
I only got like the tiniest bit ever, but I just can't taste it.
When you've eaten it, it's gone. There's lemon.
Yeah.
I think the blueberry tart one was my favourite. The purple one. I'm really surprised.
I like the cherry. Those are my favourite.
They're really good. Okay.
I don't really like them.
This is it's olives. We're not gonna open these because they'll just get wasted. So we'll put this in a food bank. Garlic and basil olives.
Yeah.
£1.50. Christ on a bike. You nearly headbutted me then. She's still drinking that drink.
How could she?
Yeah, we'll put that in a food bank. What else have we got? This is nuts. Forest Feast. Sea salt and vinegar nuts. Let's have a try of these. Alright, what kind of nut do you want?
Sea salt.
No, do you want a cashew?
I
want this big fucking cashew.
Oh my god. I just want the small one. I don't think I like the small one.
We want a peanut then, yeah?
Peanut butter.
Peanut.
Biggie.
Peanut.
This is very salty.
Yeah.
I nearly dropped it. I dropped it under my butt.
They're really good.
Dropped it under your butt.
You dropped it under my
Can
butt.
I try a big one?
Yeah?
I want a big one.
You want to try a walnut?
I want
Or do you want to try an almond. These are really crunchy. You'll like these.
Not quite.
You can have a walnut. You don't like the almond?
I want another difference. You had one.
You don't like that one? You want a cashew? Cashews are the best. I love cashew nuts. You know it's salt and vinegar, not salt or vinegar.
Because it tastes vinegar.
Yeah, it's because there's salt and vinegar.
I hate salt and vinegar. She's gone for the day.
Good job for trying it though. And then we've got 2 naked bars,
And they.
peanut butter, and a cocoa hazelnut. These are plant-based plant blah 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 blah. I can't talk. Make it read that. Read what it says about the naked bar.
The plant-based protein bar you've all been waiting for. Naked protein bars and strawberry.
Which one do you want to try? Cocoa hazelnut or peanut butter?
Peanut butter. Delicious flavors. Cocoa.
What do you want? Peanut butter or hazelnut? We're only going to open one. Hazelnut tastes like Nutella, I imagine.
Yeah. I imagine.
I imagine.
I imagine. Use your imagination. Ding dong.
Good God. I can't open this.
I can.
Oh, I nearly got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like Nutella.
Oh, must be. Yeah.
Right.
Oh, yes. So the thing. Yeah.
They've both just gone in for full bite because they think it's a chocolate bar. And it's a protein bar. Do you like it? If you don't, you can spit it out. Do you want to spit it out? Go on. Whereas I know these are gross.
That was disgusting.
Yeah. Absolutely revolting. Wow. So gross. Made of dates, peanuts, chicory fibre, peanut flour, hazelnuts, reduced fat cocoa powder, and natural flavourings. And then we've got,
Oh my god.
this is sparkling rhubarb. Why can't I talk today? Or elderflower lemonade. And we've got sparkling rhubarb. Made with pressed rhubarb.
Say lemonade.
We didn't get lemonade. A little creep. Pressed rhubarb, apples, and sparkling water. The stuff of crumbles and custards. Made with this is the other one's made with elderflower. Yeah, so
Oh my god.
we'll try this.
What is that? Oh my god.
Sparkling rhubarb.
Oh,
Oh, it smells like rhubarb and custards.
because it's.
Oh, it's nice. It tastes like a rhubarb and custard.
What does that mean?
It's just sweet. They're yummy. Let's try it.
It's sweet.
Dramatic much?
Dramatic.
Rude and disrespectful. So that was Degustabox. What did we think? What was our favourite thing?
Skittles.
The Skittles were good. I really like the nachos as well.
Yeah, I want one of the cherry nachos.
Go on then. So the olives and the dressing are going to go in the food bank. Everything else will get eaten at some point. I'm going to try this now.
I need a red one.
This is passion fruit.
Can I have a treat?
Yeah, you can have a treat.
Can I have? I'm gonna go there.
I don't like the smell. You smell it. You can't try it because it's alcohol. You can smell it. I mean, if I was pissed, I'd drink it. No, I think, yeah, the nachos were really good. The Rivita Thins and the Skittles. Okay, box. And to be fair, most of it was on brand for like picnicking on the go. So I will eat my words on that one. What do you say now?
Thanks for watching.
What do you need to give this video?
Like.
And then what else do you need to do? Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.